5 best phone tracker apps for Android. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you also want to know about 5 best phone tracker apps for Android, you're in the right video. So let's get started. So at number 1 we have Light 360 application. So it's a perfect for families as it lets you track real-time location, driving habits, and even sends alerts when someone arrives or leaves a place. So on our next, we have Google Finds Hub, that is Find My Device by Google, built by Google, and it's free. You can track, ring, lock, or erase your Android device remotely. So it comes super handy for lost phones. So on our third, we have our My Spy or M Spy, which is a powerful parental control app. It tracks calls, messages, locations, even social media, but it requires consent and works best for monitoring kids. Similarly, at number 4, we have GeoZilla, which helps you track loved ones with minimal battery drain, and it also offers location history, alerts, and a private family chat feature. And finally, at last, we have the FamiSafe, which is great for parental tracking. It also offers real-time location, screen time control, and even detects suspicious photos or text on your kid's phone. So that's it for today, guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, let me know in the comments which one is the best. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.